Hi, this is Sahana. In this video, we are going to learn C# keywords. In C#, keywords are predefined reserved identifiers that have special meanings to the compiler. Look at the simple console application. Here itself, we can find so many different keywords. Here, namespace is a keyword, internal is a keyword, class is a keyword, static is a keyword, then comes the void. Here we have string, even this is a keyword. As I mentioned earlier, keywords have special meanings to the compiler. In this example, the namespace keyword is used to declare a scope that contains a set of related objects. The internal keyword is an access modifier for types and type members. The class keyword declares a class. Static is a modifier keyword. It is used to declare a static member. String keyword is used to declare a string data type. C# has a long list of keywords. Here is a list of C# keywords. Here there are various keywords which are categorized as contextual keywords. That means they provide a specific naming in the code, but it is not reserved word in C#. You'll find this MSDN link in the description. We can categorize keywords into different categories like access modifier keywords, statement keywords, method parameter keywords, operator keywords, namespace keywords, type keywords, literal keywords, contextual keywords, and so on. Very important thing to remember is keywords can be used as identifiers. Let's say you want to declare a variable, integer type variable. You will say int. Int is a keyword. This will tell the compiler that I'm going to declare a variable whose type is integer. And if you say internal, then you will get error because internal is a keyword. This cannot be used as an identifier. So you will get error. And if you say internals, then the error will go because this is not a keyword. But if you still want to use keyword as an identifier, then framework has given an option. You should prefix with @ symbol. Then you can use keyword as an identifier. This is just for information, but most of the time we don't use keyword as identifier. You don't have to remember all these keywords. As you keep writing C# code, you will get used to it. As we learn more C# concepts, we can keep learning C# keywords. That's it for today's session. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.